In today's video, I'll show you how to make AI animation videos for kids with strong storylines and beautiful visuals, using just a single prompt. I'll also show you how to customize these videos without using any editing tools. And at the end, I'll share how kids' channels can still be monetized while staying compliant with the latest regulations. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates on AI tools. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first step is to generate ideas. What kind of story should we create? This is the most important phase because it determines whether the story will be engaging or not. So I give this prompt to ChatGPT first. Generate 5 creative story ideas for kids aged 6 to 10. Each story should teach a lesson. For each story, create a punchy video prompt with an opening hook, a fun character arc, and a takeaway. Keep the tone playful and magical. ChatGPT quickly produces original ideas, and I review them. Alright, a story with the moon character. Then I see a story involving a snail and a race, and then a story about a witch. There's also a pirate story that could attract kids' attention, and one that tells the tale of a paintbrush. But I didn't like any of these, so I ask it to create 5 more ideas. I'm looking for something a bit more futuristic. Now there's The Cloud That Couldn't Rain. Then a story about a princess. This could be interesting too. And the one about a robot. Yes, something truly futuristic. A robot blending in among humans. I like that one. Next, The Library That Comes Alive at Night. That's also unique. And lastly, a story in a planet made with ice cream, which is very original. But I like the 8th idea best, one with the robot. If you don't like the first batch of ideas from ChatGPT, ask for more like this. I'll leave this tab open for now to use later. Before we jump into the content creation, I'll briefly introduce the tool we'll be using. InVideo empowers anyone to turn ideas into professional quality videos, without needing editing skills or prior experience. From eye-catching ads and explainer videos to cartoon animations for kids, the platform makes it simple to create content like you can see here. Just type a prompt and InVideo's AI instantly generates a video tailored to your vision. Real magic. Users around the world praise InVideo for its intuitive interface and fast results, many calling it a game changer. Whether you're crafting a story for children or promoting your brand, InVideo gives your ideas a voice. Fast, fun, and ready to share. In this video, we'll be using this tool. There are plenty of similar tools out there, but this one is among the best. I've been using it for a long time and they've improved it a lot over time. Stick around to see the final cartoon video made with this tool. I'll play the full video at the end so you can judge the animation yourself. Alright, let's make our cartoon video production with single prompt. First we sign up and log in to InVideo AI. Once we're in, a prompt box appears. If you prefer, without going to another screen, you can use InVideo AI through this prompt box. In the box, you can type a topic or a short description to generate a video. I'm going to use the robot story idea we liked earlier and paste it in here exactly as it is. At the top of the prompt, I'll just add a quick note about the video length and what kind of style we want. In this case, we want it to be a cartoon-style video. As you can see, the rest of the prompt is written like a teaser or intro like this. Rocco, a delivery bot with a blinking feelometer, is sent to live with a human family. With every giggle, hug, and tantrum, his meter grows. But can he learn enough about feelings to stop a grumpy supercomputer from deleting fun forever? So with this style of prompt, the video will come out more like a story preview. Now I'll go ahead and start the generation. Before it begins, it asks for a few more details. What type of creator strategy should it follow? Emotional adventure, family fun, or save the day? What should the duration be? 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or 1 minute? Which platform are we making this for? There's also a menu on the bottom left where you can choose the type of content you want. Generative media, generative light media, or stock media. For this demo, I'm choosing the light version. It uses fewer credits but still creates really good quality videos, as you'll see in a moment. Once I've set everything up, I hit generate. Creating a 1-minute video took about 3 to 4 minutes. Here's our video. But before I show you the full video, I want to walk you through a few ways you can edit it without any editing tool, like adjusting the voiceover, background music, and more. Now I'm going to show you how to edit this video without needing any extra editing tools. After clicking the edit button below, you'll be taken to this screen. When you click the edit button again down here, 4 options appear: media, music, script, and voice. It's all quite simple. You can make changes easily. For example, when you click on media, it shows the video scene by scene. If there's a scene you don't like or want to change, just click on it. You can then either upload media from your computer, select stock media, or generate new AI media from scratch with prompt. That's how easy it is. If you want to change the music, go to the music section. You can upload your own music from your computer or browse a wide variety of stock music. Click on Stock Music, and it gives you lots of options. You can listen and swap out the current music with one you like. In the script section, you can see the full script line by line. You can click on any word or sentence and edit it however you want. For example, I'm changing hug to smile here. Once I click save, it updates in the video accordingly. Another great feature is the prompt box, which you can still use to make broader changes. Just type in what you want. For example, I'm now going to ask it to translate the video into French. In just a few moments, it's ready. Here, let me play for you.
De quelque chose qu'il n'a jamais connu auparavant. Même les crises de colère sur la belle complexité des sentiments. Mais l'éducation émotionnelle de
That's how easy the editing is. Now I'll show you the full video. But before we do that, I have a small favor to ask from you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with a friend who might also be interested. That would mean a lot to me. Alright, let's watch the full video now.
This is Rocco, a delivery robot whose world changes when his feelometer starts blinking. When he's sent to live with a human family, something magical begins to happen. Every time the children laugh, his meter lights up. Every warm smile fills him with something he's never known before. Even tantrums show him the beautiful complexity of feelings. But Rocco's emotional education faces its biggest challenge when a grumpy supercomputer decides that feelings are too complicated and tries to delete fun forever. Now this little delivery robot must use everything he's learned about love, joy, and even sadness to save the day.
Warning, fun deletion protocol detected, initiating philometer neutralization sequence, uploading, laughter, hugs, and love, calculating, solution found.
With every feeling Rocco learned, the supercomputer's grumpiness faded and fun returned to the world. Can a robot just learning to feel become the hero his new family needs? Join Rocco on an adventure to find out. Rocco learned that the best technology is a heart full of feelings, and that every family, even robot ones, can save the day together.
As I mentioned earlier, due to the initial prompt, this feels more like a teaser. Overall, the storyline is solid, the animation flows beautifully, and the visuals are impressive. Let me know what you think in the comments. Before we wrap up, here's how to monetize a kid's channel on YouTube the right way. Mark your videos as made for kids to make them COPPA compliant. Personalized ads are restricted due to new policies, so revenue per view is lower, but kids rewatch videos often, boosting views. To grow earnings, try brand-safe sponsorships, kid-friendly affiliate links, or merch. Stay creative and consistent to build a strong, long-term channel that pays off. That's a wrap. Today, you learned how to come up with ideas for kids' animation videos, create them using a single prompt, and make edits without using any traditional editing tools. You can now try the process yourself. I've added all the tool links mentioned in this video down in the description. If you found this video inspiring, you'll love what's coming next. Kling AI takes animation to a whole new level. Don't miss it in the next video.